Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 16th September 2025. India and the US are set to resume trade negotiations. Brendan Lynch will arrive in India. Talks stalled over US access to Indian agriculture and dairy markets. The US imposed tariffs in response. Both countries are now showing flexibility. The US may focus on premium cheese exports. India might allow GM corn imports for ethanol. As the fresh round of negotiations begin today, all eyes will be on whether Lynch and his Indian counterparts can translate the political thaw into substantive progress. If both sides are willing to compromise without crossing their red lines, a limited but meaningful trade deal may finally be within reach. Reliance Group companies led by billionaire Mukesh Ambani have successfully raised approximately 210 billion rupees through asset-backed securities. This deal, one of India's largest this year, saw strong demand from leading asset managers like Aditya Birla Sun Life and HDFC Asset Management. The issuance, structured via pass-through certificates with varying maturities, carries an average coupon of 7%. The Commerce Ministry will soon release a list of 100 imported products. These include chemicals and plastics. The goal is to boost domestic production. This initiative supports self-reliance and the Make in India campaign. The list aims to encourage local manufacturers. It will help them to expand or utilize existing facilities. The move aligns with the government's Swadeshi push. Maruti Suzuki India aims to dominate the mid-size SUV segment, challenging Hyundai's lead. With the new Victoris, priced from Rs 10.5 lakh, the company targets Gen Z through its Arena retail chain. Maruti Suzuki seeks to become the market leader, a position it currently lacks in this segment. Online investment platform Grow is reportedly set to file its updated draft red herring prospectus or DRHP with the Securities and Exchange Board of India this week. The company is targeting a November listing with an IPO size of $800 million to $1 billion. Grow is preparing to go public at a valuation of around Rs 80,000 crore or $9 billion, higher than its earlier 7 to 8 billion target on the back of a strong financial performance. Grow was valued at $3 billion in 2021 during its Series E round. The proposed listing would mark one of the most high-profile debuts in India's startup and financial services ecosystem. Walmart-owned e-commerce giant Flipkart saw a widening of consolidated losses to Rs 5,189 crore in the financial year ended March 2025. Flipkart India's losses stood at Rs 4,248.3 crore in the preceding financial year. The company recorded a 17.3% increase in consolidated revenue from operations, rising from Rs 70,541.9 crore in financial year 24 to Rs 82,787.3 crore in financial year 25. The company's total expenses for the fiscal year swelled 17.4% to Rs 88,121.4 crore. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.